Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food, beauty and lifestyle. And today I'm gonna be showing you how I created this easy peasy nail art at home for Christmas. So stay tuned till the end of the video to know how I achieved this nail art look. Start by applying a base coat on all your nails. Then apply 2 coats of red nail paint on your index finger, pinky finger and your thumb. Next apply 2 coats of white nail paint on your middle finger and ring finger. Then using a bigger size of dotting tool dipped in silver nail paint, make a big size of circle on your middle finger as shown in the video. Then using a thin nail art brush dipped in silver nail paint, create the Christmas tree on your ring finger as shown in the video. Now using a toothpick dipped in black nail paint, make a fine line above the silver ball that we made on the middle finger. Apply lots of glitter on the Christmas tree's top and cover the black line that we made using the toothpick with a silver line. Overline the silver tree that we made on our ring finger as shown in the video. Using a toothpick dipped in red nail paint, make a red bow on top of the ball on your middle finger. Apply some glitter flakes on the Christmas tree, seal your nail art with a top coat and tada! Your Christmas nail art look is ready. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and share your recreations with me on my Instagram handle. The link for all my social media handles would be given in the description box below. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye!